Hey guys, it's Mike, and I'm with my buddies Sean and Marty, and we're gonna check out a waterfall. And just snowed yesterday, so look how great it is. But this looks pretty cool. Look at that. How cool is that? All this snow around us makes everything look pretty cool. You got a good blue sky. Oh, that's a killer shot. Check this out, y'all. That's beautiful. There's the waterfall. But down there, that just looks awesome. So we're gonna head out from this one and check out the next waterfalls. Check this out. I'll be walking in the water. Just don't want to slide off of this thing. See that? Watch your head, because them briars, it might be slippery. Look how far down that is. Don't want to slip off that. It's really cool. Yeah, there's that ledge. Watch out for them briars. Yeah. Want to eat you up. All right, we're gonna head on. I'm crouching through this. Here we go. Let's step over this barbed wire. I wouldn't advise many people to come over here, but here's the kind of on top of it. Here we go. It's really cool. You made it.
Woo, yes.
All right.
I made it.
Okay. Might be a little slippery. Ooh. Okay. There we go. Gotta be careful because some of these rocks are slippery. And that daggone snow getting in my shirt. Okay. This is really cool. Look at all the icicles. Now that wasn't me climbing up there. Every time I come down here, do this video, of course I gotta mention how unfortunate that there's graffiti down here, but it is what it is. Bunch of kids. All right, heading into the Rockhaus. And of course, I'm gonna do my best to avoid showing any of this suck-ass graffiti, or at least the real bad ones. Look at that view. That is a killer view right there. Here they come. Sean's going down to get the shot. Kind of cool, the ice formations underneath the waterfall. That other waterfall should be pretty cool. Marty, I'd get you in on this picture, but there's a big green monster behind you on a rock. This is so awesome. All right, we've made our way down to another waterfall. This one we were at a couple days ago. Let Sean check this one out. This one's a little tricky to get to. If you can see the incline right there. We're now headed to waterfall number 4. Yeah, number 4. This is the one we call Alicia Falls. All right, we're going in. Yeah, I see our footprints from the other day. Just be careful about this barbed wire. There's a couple sets. You don't want to snag something that's valuable. And 3 points of contact. Ooh, slippery in the mud. I'm sliding. Okay. There it is. That's Alicia Falls. I've done this many times, so I'm going to do it again. There we go. Underneath the waterfall. This waterfalling in the snow is pretty cool. Makes everything look awesome. And we're going to be heading downstream, so it's going to be interesting making it down that hill. That's kind of a cool shot. And then that creek is going down there below us. Oh look, tires. So we're heading down the creek because there's another waterfall there. Here's the one I call the 5-layer waterfall. Pretty slick underneath the leaves, the mud. Doing a lot of slipping and sliding. My knees and ankles aren't going to be happy when I get home. But it's all part of waterfalling. There, look at that. It's a great place to get pictures, especially when the water's flowing and all those trees up top. They got the snow on the branches. Makes it look pretty awesome. So up top of this, where the water from this is, that's coming from the other waterfall, Alicia Falls, and it's hard to see. I can see it myself, but I don't know if you'll see it on here. But the water from Alicia Falls comes down to this cascading 5-layer fall. This might be slicker and snot too. What number waterfall is this? It's 6? This is a small one. Well, I think we've got 1 or 2 more waterfalls we're gonna check out. It's been a waterfall day. It's good having waterproof boots too, because we're walking up creeks. All right, here we go. Got a little fork on the deer trail. We're gonna head this way towards the sound of water. And that deer trail disappeared. Okay, cool. This is it. Let's see how we make our way up. Might have to walk up the creek again. Try to figure out if we went, which side we went on. There's a Rockhaus up there. You see it? Mm-hmm. Isn't that where we come down from? No, that's the Rockhaus, the first one. Yeah. Let's see if we can get up to this. So didn't we work our way down, like right over here somewhere? Down that way. Oh, really? Here's where I'm heading to. Hopefully I don't slip. You know, I better put this sucker away. Safety first. All right, made it. Here it is. Gotta clear that water is too. Who knows how clean that is. Okay, we're gonna be heading back up the hill. It's been a waterfalling day on this snowy day, and we figured the deer trails will be the easiest to get us up this hill, like a switchback. Because if we went straight up, good Lord, it'd be pretty bad. Let me show you. We're trying to make it up this hill. Oh, there. All that snow went on me. Check out this incline. This is what we're going up. Look at that. There's Sean and there's a goat man. He's making his way up. Pretty steep hill. You gotta make it up there. Like walking sideways. It really is like I'm walking sideways. Okay. Turned up this way. This will take me up to the top of where we head down to the Rockhaus. Okay, folks, I have made it. I've made it to the top. There's a Rockhaus down there. I'm over at the top. We've decided we're gonna check out Fairmont Falls, and I'm sure the flow will be pretty decent. It is getting a little chilly. My fingers are starting to feel this cold. Here we go. Waterfalling today for about 2.5 hours. Seen some good waterfalls. Get some pretty good views here. Oh. Yeah, definitely don't want to slip off this thing.
Oh no. Yeah, it's right. I think he's taking pictures.
Yeah. And here's that drop off. Little box canyon here. Yeah, these rocks are slippery. That's about as far as I'll go. How about that? And it goes all the way around. Let me do another shot of the rim here. Going all the way around, and then below me, there's a waterfall. That overhang. All right, we got to do a count of the waterfalls today. The waterfalls. 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe about 7. Would Fairmont be 8, or would that be the 7th? I don't know. I'll have to look through the video and see how many that is. Whew. And to the parking lot we go. We are parting ways. This is the first hike done with Sean. Did a hike with Marty the other day to the waterfalls, but today was pretty spectacular because of all the snow, and we got to check out the bottom rim of the where the waterfalls are. Another set of waterfalls. So guys, thumbs up. Thanks.
All right,
See you all later.
all right, take it easy.